Okay, let's continue. Here the token, if the token is not equal to valid token, then the given token is not valid and we need to return an error. So now the context response status code is 401, and now let's write this. Let's write an text message, invalid token, and let's return. If everything is okay, we can execute next. Okay. Now we are going to create a static class with a extension method. Public static class authorization token authorization middleware extensions. Let's create the extension method for application builder. Use authorization, use token authorization. This application builder and the token. The valid token. And let's return builder.use middleware token authorization middleware with the valid token. Sorry, this class needs to be outside of the middleware class. All right. Now let's go to program, and here let's put app.use token use token authorization, and here the valid token, let's try with 1 2 3 4 5. All right, let's execute. Now let's try with this endpoint, and now the expected result is an error. All right, object reference knows images of an object. Yes, because, okay, this is null. Let's try with okay, let's copy this. No, let's copy this here. All right, let's try again. Okay, we can debug. Okay, let's put a breakpoint here and let's debug. All right, this header is null. All right, here is the problem. Split and now values last okay, let's put a breakpoint again. Let's try it out. Okay, here is a problem. All right, if this is null, then let's return an error. Okay, so now we are repeating code here, I know, but we can improve this. Here we need to put there is no token. All right, this is better. Let's execute again. All right. Okay, we don't have any result because we don't have any token here. Now let's try with Postman. There is no token. This is the result. We need to put the validate token. Let's in authorization. Let's create a new beer token. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's execute. And now we have the result, the expected result, because we are using the authorization token. That's okay. That's all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.